welcome to another studio vlog. You probably just saw some footage of me packing up orders from earlier this week. Today I'm just going to catch up on some orders that are actually due next week because my parents are coming to visit me and Nick and stay over for the first time ever in this house. So they're staying through Tuesday and I don't want to be working while they're here, so I'm going to work on Monday and Tuesday's orders early, so I'll stamp some of those with you. I got a gift to my P.O. box from a subscriber. She saw that in one of my videos where I'm weeding the heat transfer vinyl for the tote bags, that there's like little pieces that get everywhere. And she told me about these tiny little silicone trash cans. There are some that you can like put on your wrist or suction ones that you can put on a table. And basically the heat transfer vinyl doesn't stick to the silicone, but it has like this little slit that you can put the weeding tool through so that it takes off the vinyl off of the weeding tool for you and you don't have little pieces of vinyl everywhere or stuck to your fingers. So that's super sweet that she sent me that. I'm gonna unbox that and show you guys what it looks like. And I'm going to do some product photography for my sticker designs. I took very basic photos of my stickers, basically like the sticker in a background. And I wanted to get more creative with those photos. Like when people spread out the stickers across a background, but then they have one sticker propped up on something taller so that that's in focus, but then you see like all of the other stickers in the background kind of out of focus. I think that looks really nice, so I'm going to take some pictures of that and put them on my Etsy just because those are always available. And if you prefer to shop on Etsy, I did reopen the Potty Mouth Etsy shop. It basically just has like the easier items for me to make, and then on the Shopify website I have more update style with like the more complex items, the more time consuming ones, just so that they're all ready and then you can just buy whatever is ready to ship. And that'll pretty much be it for this studio vlog. Next weekend is my first anniversary with Nick, our wedding anniversary, so we're going to go out of town now that we're fully vaccinated. We're just going on a beach trip and staying at an Airbnb with the dogs and just enjoying some time there and at the beach with them. But since my parents are going to be here for like half of next week and then the other half is going to be me and Nick going on our trip, I don't really have some studio vlog footage to record. So earlier this week I recorded some extra packing footage in real time with, I guess, like some ASMR. So I'm going to try something new. When I had asked you guys last week what type of videos I should make, some people mentioned that they really like packaging videos and that they don't need to have music because they really like the ASMR sounds. So I'm basically going to do a real-time packing video for next week, and it'll just be like 20-25 minutes of me packing orders in real time. And if you're working or packing some orders, then you can just package along with me. So that's something a little different, and it'll just be easier for me to put out a video for next week while we're gone. So hopefully you guys like that. And yeah, that's about it. So let me go unbox that P.O. box gift that I got. So this is what Heavenly Maid sent me. I looked up the name to figure out what this is called, and it's called a silicone vinyl scrap collector. And this one's from iVineberry. So you just suction it onto the table and the grip's really strong. I'm like shaking the whole desk. So when you're weeding vinyl with your weeding tool, you just put the end through this slit here, and whatever scraps are on there are going to get pulled off and put inside of the little silicone scrap collector. And since it's made of silicone, the scraps won't get stuck inside when you go to dump everything. So this is so cool. Thank you so much. And she was super sweet. She included like a cute little card and an extra gift. She said she was embroidering some pot holders for her family, and she decided to embroider me some too, and they have T's on them. So sweet. Thank you so much, Mara. I'll put your Instagram handle here, so if any of you guys want to check out her crafts, you can go check them out. So this is why the foam board or the white cardboard is important, because you can see the dark shadows, and then as soon as I put it up, it's brighter. So see, helps a lot. Okay, I'm gonna take a couple photos now. So I really like this way of taking sticker pictures. The photos came out really nice. This is the first one that I took with it just propped onto a marker. And then I just took a second one on my hand just to be able to have like a size reference to see how the sticker compares to the size of my hand. And yeah, the lighting's really good, and using those reflectors, the white cardboard and the foam, really helped brighten the photo a lot. So these actually don't need much editing. I just edit in Photoshop directly with filter, camera raw filter, and then you can adjust the temperature, tint, exposure, contrast, clarity, saturation, all those basic things. And it's basically the same as if you were editing within Lightroom, or you can even use the Lightroom app for your phone because it's free, and you can basically adjust all of these things. I just use Photoshop because I always use Photoshop, so I can just keep one app open. And just in case I need to do like really intense editing, that I'm not able to do in Lightroom. But yeah, that's how I take my pictures. I just use my phone, take it by a window, and use the reflectors just so that there aren't any harsh shadows.